All right, 7:45 and closer to home. Let's check our own forecast outside. Looking live at National Harbor, blue skies and lots of sunshine. The rain we had yesterday looks to be out of here, but is it? Gwen Talbert here with the details. Hey, Gwen.
Hi there. Well, we got a pretty nice start to the day, Maureen, but things are going to change by this afternoon. So get out there and do what you need to do. But it's going to be a very hot and humid weekend. You're going to feel that humidity in the atmosphere, that unwanted house guest not going anywhere. So some scattered afternoon, evening storms today, and maybe an isolated one on Sunday. Right now, Futurecast isn't picking up a whole lot on Sunday, and I'll show you that. But today, for sure, we are talking some storms in the afternoon, evening hours. And then as we get into next week, it's going to be hot and pretty unsettled with a chance of storms almost each and every day. 75 degrees this hour. Winds are from the south-southwest at 6 miles an hour. And you can see we've got plenty of sunshine. It's really bright out there and nice. This is the time to get out. Satellite radar composite not showing a lot. A bit of a storm activity there out to our far west. It'll eventually move its way toward West Virginia Panhandle and head to the east. And we'll show you the timing of things on Futurecast. It's currently 72 at Manassas, 74 at Quantico, 78 at Leonardtown this hour, almost 80 degrees, 75 at Annapolis, and we've got 68 out to the west at Cumberland. So we've got this Bermuda high that's just off the coast, hot, sticky, humid conditions. That air continues to heat up, and we're going to continue to feel that today. But then as we get into the afternoon, evening hours, a chance of some storms that'll start to fire up into this very unstable air mass that we're going to have. And so we could see some storms starting anywhere after maybe 3, 4 o'clock heading into the evening hours, maybe just a little earlier. And I'll show you on Futurecast as we take a look here. Futurecast wants to bring things in, as I said, close to around 3, 4 o'clock. So this is pretty intense. Brighter the color, heavier the rainfall, more potential for some thunderstorms embedded in it. And that's exactly what this is as it moves a little bit closer toward that I-95 corridor right across northern Loudoun County at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Here we are at 4, encroaching right across into the Beltway and to the north near Mason-Dixon, and then at 4:30 right over the Beltway and the D.C. corridor in that I-95, as you can see. And then it moves out of the way to the eastern shore by the time we get to 6 o'clock, but down along I-66, a little more activity. And then really fires up at about 8:30 again. So you can see there's about 2 rounds of that happening. As we take a look at Sunday, not quite as much. Things a little scattered, a few showers by 8:30, and then that's about it. But I can't rule out that on Sunday we won't have an isolated pop-up. So here's a look at Planner. Temperatures are going to head right into those 90s today. 94 in the city, the same at Quantico, 92 at Leonardtown, 91 at Dulles, 89 at Martinsburg. But the feel like by midday, 96 in the city, 98 at Baltimore, and then up to 102 degrees by the time we get to 3:30 this afternoon for Annapolis, and 101 down for Manassas. So hot, sticky, and humid right into the early part of the week. That's not going to change. Later next week, the same story. The feel like as we get into next week, look at this, 100 degrees, triple digits. You're going to have to really deal with all that heat and humidity. Here's the 7-day forecast. Temperatures next week, once again on the rise. It's going to be hot, sticky, and humid. Chance of thunderstorms pretty much each and every day. I didn't put anything in for Sunday in terms of a graphic, but I am saying isolated pop-up, very possible. Maureen?